So hi Sujoy, good evening first of all, and welcome to this Sify event, Sify and AWS
Thank you for
event.
inviting me.
So you've been one of the senior industry professionals for so many years now, I think, right? And you've had a wonderful experience in some of your earlier organizations. So I was just keen to understand how do you look at the cloud adoption journey where you are today, and some of the macro trends in cloud where you're personally focusing.
So you see, the most important when you're responsible for IT function, so most important KPI which management will give you is that
Right.
how efficient your IT function is, and at the end, are you delivering the customer delight?
Right.
If you want to achieve that, you need to have a flawless system.
Right.
You need to have a robust system. You need to have uptime, performance, etc., etc. I'm not getting into technologies.
Right. Correct.
So for that, there is the only solution, which is cloud now. And after the experience of pandemic, people have understood that running a captive data center in
Right.
case of any disaster like pandemic,
Right.
you are gone for a toss.
Right.
So here comes the cloud,
Right.
which will definitely going to help us.
So there is obviously, which means an increased focus from a digital transformation perspective
Absolutely right.
in terms of creating
Absolutely
specific
right.
business
So,
outcomes, correct?
You are absolutely right.
Cloud
You
probably
talk-
being the underlying framework to enable all of it.
If you talk, most important thing is that the TAT.
Right,
Nowadays, turnaround time is a very important thing.
Right. Right.
So if you want to implement anything on digital
Right.
transformation, cloud is the best
So
option for you.
would it be fair to say you're already into hybrid cloud deployment?
Yes, yes. So I have an interesting strategy on cloud.
Okay.
So what we did, we created a business case. It took some time, a lot of challenges were there to convince the management and board.
Right.
What I did is that I took all my critical system on cloud
Right.
to provide all kind of
Agility and
agility, performance,
correct. Scale. Correct.
scalability, etc.
Correct. Correct.
And I have a hybrid system for my test bed,
Right.
for my playground systems,
Right.
for my development, bundle
Right.
client, whatever it is.
Right. So I'm sure you're aware about Sify's own transformation, I think last 2 decades, where we've started from a network-centric organization now, with a lot of expertise, agnostic across the entire cloud journey. So I think, how do you see Sify positioned to help you in your next wave of cloud journey?
Definitely, we can evaluate Sify also. Sify,
Right.
I know Sify for a long time.
Right.
Earlier we were using Sify services from the communication side, not on the data center side. We can
Right.
definitely evaluate.
Wonderful.
Sify.
Wonderful. Thank you, Sujoy, so much.
Nice talking
It's
to you.
absolutely a
Always
pleasure
nice talking.
to hear your insights. Thank you.